Okay, the machine is now up to temperature. It's quite nicely up to temperature. We'll just do a test seal and cut just to make sure we're happy with the way we're cutting the seam. Cuts beautifully, shrunk really nicely. We'll pick up now. I've got a box of self-tapping screws from my workshop. I'll just put those into the centre folded film, which is above and below the working tray. Support the film, ease it across to the sealing area. Make sure the film's not taut. Bring the hood down. If it's not shrunk enough or the shrink time is not long enough, you could always move the pack to the middle of the chamber and give it another shrink. And then you get this is using PVC, and it's quite an old roll, so it doesn't shrink particularly well. You can override the sealing when you bring the hood down. If you want it to shrink longer, if you don't want to mess around with the settings, you could actually just hold on to the hood and not, when it releases, just keep it down. That just overrides it. The fan runs longer and it shrinks even more. If you go too far, you'll blister it and blow a hole in it. It's got too hot. But that's what you can expect. Put it in once more. We'll double wrap this to your sealing area. Cross. Bring the hood down. I'll override that slightly. Ease it away. Done packed.